because GP you got no time. GP is always allocated the least number of periods. I am not joking. You go through GP lessons, you cannot get the exam skills, you cannot extract the most value out of it, you know that this lesson is useless. Now listen, this topic is a possibility question. Every time first step, your tiako is there. Now can you make sure you try putting the sperms yourself? If you cannot do, means that you have not learned. You must really be able to delineate clearly what's the topic, what's the issue, then assumption. Can I teach you? Just now I use assumption. It's different from traditional assumption. Are you clear? So you realize when examiners look at your intro, they know that you are not guessing. You see, those who write rehabilitation, they write punishment, they know that this student is a different league.